And then there's Chris. Alright, this is Chris's junkyard motor that we picked up for his G35. We're about to strip it down, end up doing gaskets on it, timing chain, tensioners and pulleys, water pump, oil pump, and just make sure that it's in really good condition before we end up putting it in his car. In case you can't tell, this is VQ heaven here. This is where all VQs come to be revived to go back into another car for another day. Look, we actually have proof that Chris is working on his own car. He wants to flip me off right now, but he knows better. Alright, intake's off. We got most of the wiring harness off. You can see we've kind of got quite the mess just laying here on the floor, but we're going to end up doing some custom painting on the intake manifold. Probably get a intake spacer to add a few extra horsepower or torque or whatever, since it's going to be a drift build. But we're making progress, and hopefully it won't be too much longer. We'll have this thing going in for some paint and a whole bunch of new parts going on. Stay tuned. Yo, what is this thing? Haven't seen it do much here recently. The better question is though, is when is he ever going to do something with that over there?